Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Domino's does not offer free delivery. Orders are delivered at a small rate dependent on your location and item availability. Save on delivery by looking for stores that deliver near you. Pickup in store is always free.
Let's help you make your mark.
Domino's Pizza comes with a 30-minute guarantee from the time an order is placed. If the time taken to deliver the pizza is more than 30 minutes, the pie comes free if it costs under 300 rupees. And in case it costs more than that amount, the company subtracts 300 rupees from the bill. 22 March 2013.
Let's help you make your mark.
How much to tip pizza and other food delivery drivers? For delivery orders of $20 or less, it is customary to offer a minimum tip of $3. For any amount over $20, tip 10 to 15% but never less than $5. Before opting for that $3 tip on small orders, consider whether you would make the same trip for a mere $3.
Let's help you make your mark.
The cheapest traditional delivery joint was Hungry Howie's at $46.57, and Domino's squeaked in just under $50. Heavy hitters Pizza Hut and Papa John's were the priciest chains on our list, at $51.06 and $57.60, respectively. 4 January 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Often seen as the best pizza rewards program, Domino's Piece of the Pie Rewards is simple. For every phone, Domino's app, or online order you place using your rewards account, you get 10 points at checkout. Once you get 60 points, you get a free order of Domino's pizza.
Take our lead.
The reason the delivery fee is there is because Domino's wants to raise the price of their pizza without actually doing that. Instead of charging $15 per pizza, they will charge $12 and add a $3 delivery fee. When looking at pizza prices, try not to focus so much on that delivery fee. 5 September 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Domino's does not penalize its drivers for late delivery. 30 minutes or free not applicable when store operating conditions are not suitable, to be announced at the time of order taking. Domino's Pizzas preserves the right to withdraw the service guarantee without prior information.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.